First up is GitHub Copilot, Microsoft's AI-powered coding assistant that acts like a virtual pair programmer right in your IDE. With its free tier, you get 2,000 code completions and 50 chat messages per month. No credit card required, making it accessible for individual developers and open-source contributors. Imagine you're a web developer stuck on a tricky JavaScript function for a React app. You type a comment like, "Create a debounce function for search input," and Copilot generates the code snippet instantly, complete with explanations and best practices. I tested it while building a simple e-commerce front end, and it shaved off 40% of my coding time by suggesting efficient hooks and error handling. The benefits? It accelerates learning for beginners, reduces bugs through context-aware suggestions, and supports over 20 languages including Python, Java, and Go. The free plan is perfect for personal projects, but if you need unlimited access, my referral link below unlocks a free trial of Copilot Pro. Pro tip: use the chat feature to ask for code reviews on your pull requests. It's like having a senior dev on call. Next, we have Cursor, an AI-enhanced code editor built on VS Code that offers intelligent completions and natural language editing in its free tier. With 2,000 basic completions monthly, this tool shines for refactoring and generating code from prompts, and it's completely free for core features without any sign-up barriers beyond a basic account. Picture yourself as a mobile app developer prototyping a Flutter UI. You prompt generate a responsive login screen with email validation, and Cursor not only writes the code but suggests layouts, imports necessary packages, and even adds animations. I used it to refactor a messy Python script for data analysis, and in under 10 minutes, it cleaned up the logic, added comments, and improved efficiency. The benefits include seamless integration with your existing VS Code setup, support for multimodal inputs like images for UI design, and a boost in productivity by handling repetitive tasks. My referral link in the description gives you extra free completions on sign-up. Pro tip: enable the composer mode to edit multiple files at once based on a single natural language command.